Hello everyone, and this is the reading for the Aquarius love reading. This may not resonate with each one of you, but take whatever resonates with you. And these readings will not be sugar coated, they will be as it is, whether you like it or not. This is the truth, this is the honest reading. And if you like the content I create, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would be very grateful of you. So now let's begin with the reading of the Aquarius. First I'll do reading with you all my Aquarians, wherever you all are in the world. Let's first start the reading with you. We'll start with you, my Aquarius. Let's see what we have. Please give me the recent past of the Aquarians. My love team, please give the recent past. This is a love reading. Please give the recent past of the Aquarians. Alright, so the recent past, you have the Devil. I think in the past there was this relationship which had something unhealthy about it. This seems to be a very obsessive relationship, obsessive. Some sort of unhealthiness was associated with it, and I think it was more of a lust, more of a sexual relationship. So this is what is in the recent past. Please give me the current energy of the Aquarians. Please give the current energy of the Aquarians. What is the current energy? In the recent past, you two people have lot of attraction, very strong attraction, definitely, but this seems to be more of a physical attraction. There is some sort of toxicity or obsession associated with it. This was your recent past. It's a major arcana. Now let's see what is it there in your current energy. In the current energy, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Lot of changes, Aquarius, in your life. Lots of ups and downs in your life. And lot of changes are taking place. Time is spinning fast. You have to be prepared for the changes. That's your current energy. You are facing lot of big changes in your life. Now let's see what's the near future for the Aquarians. It's in the reverse, so there may be a lot of ups and downs, and you have to prepare yourself for the changes which are taking place. Now let's see what we have in your near future. In the near future, you have the Emperor in the reverse. That means you are trying to find stability in a relationship. Emperor is all about stability, all about power. You are not in your power also, and maybe you are in a relationship with an Aries, could be a Capricorn also. So you are not in your power, and what you should do is that you should be in your power. You should be able to take decisions. You should be able to analyze what is right and what is wrong for you. So this is the card in the near future which is showing that there could be a stability issue with you. So you have to think very carefully what is good for you, what is not good for you, because the time is changing very, very fast. There are big changes you will have to integrate. Now let's see the overall energy of my Aquarians. What is the overall energy of the Aquarians? My love team, please give the overall energy of the Aquarians. The overall energy is 10 of Pentacles. Exactly. So you want stability, you want happiness, you want everything the life can give you. You want a very lovely family. You want lots of money also coming here. You want this is a long term goal, and this takes time. This Ten of Pentacles energy is like it takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. So you have to work on certain things. You want a relationship which should provide you everything: money, family life, love. You know, everything should be beautiful about the life. For this, you really have to work hard, because this is not easy to get. You don't get it so easily in life. This is like a dream come true. And at the bottom of the deck, you have the Hermit. You have this Hermit at the bottom of the deck, which means that you are thinking, you are doing a lot of thinking how to be stable and how to be happy. So this is your reading, my dear friends, my dear Aquarians, wherever you are in the world. Now let's clarify, let's see what your person is doing. So please give me the recent past of your person. Please give me the recent past of your person, because you are looking for stability and you want somebody who should provide you stability. And you are contemplating, you are thinking a lot on it, and thinking, and you're a lot about it in your head as to how to make things happen. So now let's see. Your issue is the stability issue. You want a stable relationship. Now let's see what's going on with your person. First we'll find out the recent past. Okay, so the recent past of your person is Eight of Swords. They are also a lot in the head. They are thinking a lot about something. Maybe they are thinking about their relationship. They are not very clear about it. They have certain, certain way of thinking which they should give up. So in the past, they have been doing a lot of thinking. They were stuck, like they were not able to see what they want. They were not able to understand you, my Aquarians. Now let's see what's the current energy for the person, my love team. Please give the current energy. Please give the current energy of my person, whom I am doing for, the Aquarians. What is the current energy? Alright, the current energy is Judgment in the reverse. Now this means that they are not realizing. They are not able to see, or maybe they are not aware what you want. I am going to tell you the reality only. They are not able to see what you want. You want stability, but I don't know what they are thinking. They are not realizing this. They are not aware, or maybe you have not communicated to them clearly what you want. So they are not aware of what you want from the relationship. But you already know what you want from the relationship. Now let's see what we have in the near future. What is in the near future of the Aquarians? Please, love team, give the near future of the person with whom the Aquarians are having a relationship. So in the near future, you have the King of Pentacles in the reverse. I don't think so that they can give you a stable relationship. Someone here is, I think they are not very serious about you. They are not very serious about you, and they are also not even aware what you exactly want. And they might not give the stability they want. I mean, this is a relationship which is just going on, and they are not that serious about the relationship. They are not sure about the relationship. Now let's get the overall energy. What is the overall energy of the partner of my lovely Aquarians? What is the overall energy of you all? Queen of Swords in the reverse. I think you need to give them the clarity. I'll take out another card. What is the overall energy? These are the two cards I've taken out. So in the near future, I don't think so there is a lot of stability. This is a stable relationship, but the overall energy is that there should be clarity. Somebody's, there is an opportunity, there is a beginning. You want to take up the relationship to the next level, but you are maybe that person has not given you the truth or the clarity about the relationship, where it is heading. Although they want to take up the relationship to the next level, but it is just in a nascent stage. It is just just the beginning. So this is the overall energy of your partner. At the bottom of the deck, you have the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse. So yours was like the Hermit in the reverse and the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse. So the overall energy is that what I feel is that you are thinking a lot about this, that this can be a very good opportunity and all that, but I think there are a lot of I can see, what I can understand from the reading is that there are a lot of questions in minds of both of you. You need to communicate with the person in order to get the relationship to the next level. You have to make your person realize that what you want stability. But this person, they might want to take the relationship to the next level, but they don't have the clarity. They feel that you're avoiding them. This is what I'm getting. So that's all I have for you, my Aquarians. I hope you are doing fine, and thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.